guys, welcome to a new art tutorial. For the ones who don't know me, my name is Helen and I'm the host of this channel. Today I bring you a super easy, fast and cheap idea because the only thing you need are beach rocks, acrylic paints, some dotting tools that you have at home, and the most important, your imagination. So come with me.
These are some of the big and flat rocks that I've been saving, especially for lettering and quote signs. Choose your favorite acrylic paint for the background. I recommend to use white colored pencil instead of a normal pencil to avoid the circle. Choose the design you want on the rocks. Use your favorite 3D acrylic paint color. As you can see, I'm struggling using this paint because the tip is a little bit big and it's hard for me to control the quantity of the paint that comes out every time I squeeze the paint bottle. However, I'm trying my best and it's not that bad. I cut on swab to clean the white pencil lines and it looks actually good. A little bit thick, but it's okay. This time I will use a dotting tool to make the lines finer. Clean it with a cotton swab, and I think this looks so much better. Okay, time to make these rocks colorful. I will use my dotting tool set to make dots in different colors and sizes.
I really hope you like this idea and also your beloved ones. I'm pretty sure they will love to have one of these rocks at home or for decoration or just to give them away. If you like this video and you would like to support my art content, please don't forget to give a thumb up, share the video with your friends or in your social media, and the most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for notification. Guys, I promise next year I will be more consistent. Actually, I have a lot of content to show about my trips around the world. They're still in the oven, but I'm working on it. I'm still planning and organizing how to show it. But just stay tuned and wait for it because it will be great. And one more thing, guys, happy holidays. Enjoy Christmas, enjoy your new year, enjoy your time with your family and your beloved ones. Enjoy every single day of your life. I wish you the best and see you next time. Bye.